What is up? Daniel here with the Virtual Robotics Studio, and we are getting really close to releasing our next build video, but we came across some important things that we wanted to share with you as quickly as possible. So the first thing is the Everybot bill of materials has multiple vendors or multiple sources for similar parts. So for example, there are a couple different sprockets. We have one from AndyMark, but there's one from Rev. They're a little bit different in terms of how thick they are and where the hub is. I think the Rev has a hub on both sides. We also have a lot of these different brackets that we're going to be using, and there are several different bracket suppliers. So while it's really good that there are alternate suppliers so that if one goes out of stock, you can buy that. If you're in a rush to get something and somebody's closer to you, you can get it shipped out faster. For the video, of course, we're only going to be using one type of each part. So if you want to be able to follow along with the video one-to-one and have exactly the parts we're using in the video, we will be releasing a BOM of the parts we used. So that you can use to order if you want to be exactly the same as us. Now, there will be a lot of places where you can use the alternate parts, and they're going to work just fine. We'll try to mention that in the video where we're able to. But if you want to have the exact same stuff as us, check out our BOM and make your order based on that. Also, a note about the cut list. Will be a little bit different on some of the parts that we're cutting. So some of the parts we're actually going to mark and measure in the robot. So depending on how you built your robot, if it's a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller, we'll be able to take that actual measurement before we cut the part. So we recommend waiting for the video to ask you to cut the parts before doing it. Don't just grab the cut list and run through and cut everything before you start the videos. Also, I have one note about our videos. There are going to be some very long videos coming out. I think our next video is over 4 hours long. Don't let that intimidate you or scare you. Just remember that YouTube, it'll remember where you left off when you come back, but also we are filling it with chapters. So if you finish the first 5 chapters of a video, in one meeting, come back to your next meeting, start on chapter 6. So we think it's still going to be pretty effective that way, and you only have to load up one video instead of clicking through a bunch of 10-minute videos to get through a build process. All right, that's all we have for this video, but keep an eye out. Like I said, that next build video is coming out really soon, and I'll see you there.